Guys, I know how you like it when I drop something from the height, and today it will be a giant Orbeez stress ball. But let's start with a few ideas from the past video comments. I'll think about it, but I'm afraid that if it's a box of Nokia 3310, my car will die. Not sure about this idea, but man, it's just so crazy. And I've done this, or I haven't, or not. Okay, let's fill this balloon with Orbeez. According to my calculations, there are about 15 kilograms of Orbeez. I just love playing Orbeez stress ball. Holy, I almost dropped that. I'm already used to someone comes up to see what we are doing during filming on the street, but today it's you see. Okay, let's do that. Jeez, that was epic, but I noticed this only in slow motion. And as the last time, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.